In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be accessed from inside of the car. Let's get started. We're going to press our ignition button 2 times. Wait for the screen to come on. Cycle through the menu on the tire pressure menu until you get to the oil life, and on the steering wheel you're going to press and hold that OK button till it says 100%. Hit that ignition button, press it twice. Now we can go back and double check, and it is 100%, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.